Hello, welcome to the How to MS SQL channel. In this video, I will show you how to perform the easiest MS SQL backup and restore. Now, we will be using SQL Management Studio. Connect to our database using Express version of the SQL and their demo database. Now, the backup can be performed by right-clicking the database, selecting Tasks, and Backup. This is the name of our database. Recovery model is simple. That means that it supports only full backups and differential backups. It doesn't support transaction log backups. This means that the database can be restored only to the point of the last backup you made. While full recovery mode supports actually full database recovery, full data recovery to the point of failure. And it's more advanced, but we'll keep it simple for this video. So we select backup type full, copy only, we leave it unchecked because we want our backup to be tracked by SQL Server. It tracks this whole sequence of backups that you create for a certain database. We back up to disk and select a path. Path is preferably some share on some other machine so that in case of failure you don't lose the database together with the backups. Media options, overwrite media, we leave this as it is. We can click verify, backup, perform check, some, this is okay. Backup options. Here is compression. The Express SQL version doesn't support backup compression, but I recommend using it on every other SQL version because it dramatically reduces the file size of the backup. And that's actually everything. We just can define our file name to make it more clear. This is the full database backup, like this, and click OK. The backup has been completed. We can check it here on disk, and here it is. Now, it is recommended to perform full database backups, for example, every Sunday. And on days in between, you can perform differential backups. Differential backups actually are cumulative, and they contain all the differences since the last full database backup. So in order to restore the database, all you need is the last full backup and the last differential backup. And you got to the last point of time when you created the backup. So now we can perform differential backup like this. We change the name. Like this. We leave media options as it is. Everything else is okay. And we create a differential backup. There you go. Now let's say something catastrophic happened and somebody deleted table from the database. For example, transaction history table. This is one of the larger tables. We can select it just so that we know which one it is. Okay, we drop it and it's gone. Now, in order to get it back, We perform restore by right-clicking the database, selecting Restore Database. Our source device will be disk and file. We input location, file name was full.doc. Click OK. The file has been read. You can see all the information from the file right here. When the backup was made, its size and everything. Here under files we could relocate our data files if we wanted to, but we'll leave it as it is. And options. Now here, since the database already exists on this server, we select overwrite existing database. And the recovery state is important in this case. If we were to restore just the full backup and nothing else, we would leave it like this, restore with recovery. This means that the database will be recovered to the operational state and no further backups could be restored on top of it. But we have the differential backup, so we will restore it with no recovery. This will leave it in the restore state and allow for further backups to be restored. So this, we close all existing connections in case somebody connected to the database in between, and click OK. Database has been restored successfully, and as you can see, it's in the restoring state. The restore process hasn't finished yet, because we need to apply also the differential backup. So we select, right-click again, select Task Restore, Database, Source, we select Device, File, add our differential backup here. Okay, the file has been read. The rest, we don't select overwrite, and we select restore with recovery this time, because we want database to be recovered to the operational state. And that's it. We just click OK. Database has been restored successfully. We refresh the tables view and check our table. Production transaction history table is back. And that's it. It's really simple. Now, if you want to see any other topics or you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.